can talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be someone that I need. What will it take till you believe in me? The way that I believe in you. I said I love you, and that's forever. And this I promise from the heart. I couldn't love you any better. Love you just the way you are. Oh, 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 oh,
Well, that brings up 1988. Well, Whitney Houston was the one that took the cake.
Didn't have to make a call to find out how.